I'm in the process of putting Max's head back on, and the important thing with tightening head bolts is that you get them to the right torque setting. And I've got a torque wrench, and you should do it in 3 goes, and basically slowly build up the torque. The top torque for this that they're meant to be at is 86. First time I'm going to set this to 50 newtons, and you start in the centre and just slowly work your way around the head. And start in the centre. And slowly work your way out. That evenly spreads the pressure along the head. Okay, so that's the first round. Now I'm going to adjust it up to about 70. Go around again. Okay, so that's all of them up to 70. My top torque setting, the FE motor, is 86. So I've now got it set to 86, and now I'll go around once more. You've got to make sure you do this really smoothly when you're pulling the wrench. And as a double check, just go around and just check them again without resetting it. Some of them might move just a little bit. And if they don't, all is good. Yeah, that one moved just slightly. Okay, and that's how to put your head back onto your engine block, making sure that you use a torque wrench to make sure that the torque setting is perfect. Now, I mean, every bolt in a motor should have a torque setting, but the head bolts are important. You need to make sure that they are, for sure. Hope this was helpful.